designed to be on 2 wheels, not one. I'm pretty sure if I just swerve at this Tesla, it'll hit the brakes whether he wants it to or not. I think I'm the only one wearing appropriate shoes for this. There it goes. I won't even have to go quick to hold momentum. This thing will just power up this. Guess the bigger problem is falling off. Oh, I got it. Now I gotta turn this thing around, don't I? Whew! Chris has securities over there, so let's get going. Well, I'm good, I'm out. Hey, is that a Ford Ranger? Do it? Yeah, you're good. I can see the skid plate taller than the curb, so yeah, you're good to go. He's really good. Anthony's feeling it, dude. Watch. You wanna go for that? You could get through that. No, you'd be fine, dude. Just remember, yeah, you are sitting up tall, but just give it gas now and you'll go right up there. Easy. Look at this anthill right here, man. Holy. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? It looked like I knew how to do things. This looks cool. Like I don't know if I'm worried about it. If they want to come down this way, I'll get out of their way. But in a second here, I'm going to be going quicker than they are. I've been down the K trail, bro. Jabroni over here with this stock Toyota pickup truck. Barbed wire fence. This is it, man. I'm that dude on the Supermoto ride. Someone showed up with their adventure bike, Grandpa. It's a creek. That Kim good? We gotta stay away from him now. Yeah, here it is. Watch for the critters. Might be some snakes. Watch for leaves of trees, guys. Actively look for it while you're traversing the dung right there, boys. Oh no!
Yeah, now you're good. Now just let it go.
Ray, don't hit it with rocks. Ray, stop. Stop. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to commit to that. Oh my God, Ray, how did you find that much mud in there? Oh my, you too, Anthony. Which way did y'all go? That's crazy. Oh my God, yes. My bike will totally fit through there. Boys! See where I got the camera at? Well, I'd say it's been a pretty good Supermoto Sunday. We just said bye to all the boys. They went their way. I'm gonna head my way. Yep, good Supermoto Sunday on my FZ07. For those of y'all wondering, yes, I do have a new project bike inbound, and it will be a little more off-road capable than this one will be. You know, you can't get rid of that kind of bike and not get another one of those kind of bikes. Don't believe all my trolls on old Instagram. If you are on Patreon, go hang out in the Discord. I always am hanging out in there. We've gotten it really going good lately, which is good, you know. That's what I wanted. I wanted it to be that way. Y'all take care. Whew.